Hello guys, welcome to my first ever tutorial. This tutorial is how to create a new user account on your computer. Of course I'm using Windows 7, but they should all be same, all the versions of how to edit and everything. If you need any help, and comment on my profile. So first, go to the control panel. Then add or remove user accounts. Then let's just move this on. Delete. And then it should look like this if you haven't got any other accounts on it. Then hit create new account. Call it whatever you want to call it. I will call mine Jackery. I will set it to an standard user or an administrator. Let's do it as standard user. Let's wait for it now. Then now you can see that Jackery has been added to my accounts. So if I was to go and switch user now, but my camera will disconnect, then I'll be able to go on that account. You can change your name, you can change your picture, you can add a password, you can set parental controls, change your account type, delete your account, or manage your other accounts. So I will just do change picture because I don't like that one at a minute. Let's have a cute little doggy. Ha. Change. Oh, he looks so cute. Also guys, if you want to get on my file but you're on a different account, then just go to computer, local disk C, then go to users, and then the account should be underneath your admin one. But because I haven't set him up yet, he won't show. Okay, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed my first tutorial. Tell me what you want tutorials for me to do, because I know basically everything about computers. I'll do coding tutorials and maybe some designing ones. So yeah, please tell me what tutorials to make for you. Bye.